I don't know that God is particularly interested in the theatre business, but I think he's deeply interested in us. And I think theatre can be a vessel, a tool that turns our hearts to him. Moments of transcendence that I think we've all experienced. I don't use the gospel of Jesus Christ to share my talents. I use my talents to share the gospel of Jesus Christ. And that shift for me was everything. In Nauvoo, I'm having these deep spiritual senses and urges and desires that the people in the British Isles need something like the Nauvoo pageant that told the stories of the peoples of that land and of Ireland coming to Christ and giving up everything to follow a prophet's call to gather to this land. God intervened in miraculous ways, which led to that first production of the British pageant. The children in Wales gathering at the docks of Wales as they say goodbye, and we have them singing a song. Whenever you leave Wales, the Welsh sing to you.
We'll keep a welcome in the hillside.
I invite you to think that it's not really just about Wales, that all of our creating and our searching is an attempt, I believe, sometimes to create home with God, to connect us to the heavens and to each other in ways that we say, I belong.
We'll kiss away each hour